Greetings, thanks for joining me. I haven't been able to do a video for Shawna Who for the past couple weeks. If anyone was wondering where I've been, my neighbors are doing construction right across the street, so it's been noisy. They're a little bit on the quieter side today, so I'm hoping you can hear everything that I'm saying. Autumn is here. It's my favorite time of year, and I decided we should do a little DIY decorating project together. Oh, that's my timer. I have to go pick up my child from school. These are my boring sconce shades that I'm going to try to snazz up and make them very autumn festive. Using my French ribbon with beautiful pumpkins on it. There are 8 strips, 7 inches long each. And that's because I'm going to double them up and glue them along the edge there. Don't burn your fingers. That's the trick to doing this. Be very careful because this glue is hot. Ow! Hot glue. It came squishing out right there and got me. So you have to be very, very careful. So now that I'm done cutting my 8 pieces of smaller French ribbon, I went ahead and turned my glue stick back to high. I had it on low while I was cutting so that it wouldn't just keep dripping. As soon as I see a drip come out, I know it's heated up and it's ready to start gluing. And then I'm gonna put the new piece here, and we're just gonna cover these empty spots with the smaller pieces. So I'm going to glue on my edging to cover up this yucky edge up here. Add a tiny dab of glue right there. And then carefully smush it down without getting the glue on my finger like that. Ouch! 8 more pieces of ribbon, 4 inches long. I'm going to double that up, and I'm going to glue it in all the little empty spaces down here. I just cut 8 more pieces. These are 3 inches long. I'm going to do 1 last layer along the bottom. It's for a total of 4 layers of ribbon. And this one is done. Now I'm going to work on the second one, and then we'll see how they look. This is what the sconce shades look like on my sconces. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. Enjoy autumn, my favorite time of year. Happy autumn dance.